Are you wondering if you need Zoom if you already have GetResponse? Well, you're not alone. Many businesses and individuals are trying to figure out whether they should stick to just one or keep both tools in their workflow. Today, we'll explore the features of GetResponse and Zoom to see if GetResponse can fully replace Zoom, and more importantly, if it's the best choice for your needs. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what GetResponse is all about. GetResponse is primarily an email marketing tool that offers a suite of automation features, landing pages, and even webinar capabilities. It's an all-in-one marketing solution, and for many, it may feel like it's enough. But what if you're using Zoom to host meetings or webinars? Next thing, GetResponse does have a webinar feature. While Zoom is mostly known for its video conferencing and webinars, GetResponse also allows you to host webinars directly from the platform. The setup is pretty straightforward, and you can host up to 1,000 participants depending on your plan. However, GetResponse doesn't have the same depth of collaboration tools that Zoom offers, like screen sharing with multiple participants or virtual backgrounds. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Zoom's meeting features are super robust. For example, Zoom allows for seamless real-time collaboration, breakout rooms, and interactive features like polls. This makes Zoom the go-to tool for team meetings or interactive client sessions. GetResponse, on the other hand, is focused on presentation-style webinars where your audience listens more than interacts. Now, here's the deal. If you're just looking to send out emails, automate campaigns, and run simple webinars, GetResponse might be enough. It's great for digital marketing needs and can certainly replace Zoom for those specific tasks. But if you're running a lot of live, interactive meetings with a large group, Zoom is still the best for that. But here's where it gets interesting. If you're only using Zoom for webinars or one-on-one meetings, there are alternatives that might give you the best of both worlds. Platforms like Demio or Livestorm might offer you a more specialized webinar experience that could be easier to use than Zoom, and they don't come with Zoom's high price tag or extra features that you don't need. Now, let's talk about something special. You may already know that GetResponse has a free trial, but did you know that through the link in the description, we're offering an exclusive and extended free trial to GetResponse? Plus, we've also highlighted some amazing alternatives that are better suited for the goal mentioned in this video. So, check out those options, and remember, they also come with a free trial. In conclusion, while GetResponse can handle a lot of your marketing and webinar needs, Zoom is still king for meetings and live, interactive sessions. But with some alternatives out there, you might find a better solution for your specific needs. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer we've got for you, only available to our viewers.